What's going on, guys? You can see I'm not in beautiful Golden anymore. I'm here at my daughter's place. They've already left for the Grand Canyon. Getting some stuff done. Got the bike rack off. That's the first time in I don't know how many years I've had the bike rack off. But yeah, it'll be a lot easier to park. And then I got this. Why not? You gotta represent your country, right? I got a nice little Canada patch. Looks like it has plastic on it. There we go. Satisfying. Here we go. It even came with a little locking mechanism. Another key that I'll have to hold on to. Yeah. There we go. That looks better than a rusty old hole. And yeah, baby needs a wash again. Not Uma, the van. But yeah, I'm still waiting for a couple parts to come in to do the floor here. The floor that other people have done. I don't know how many other RVs like this have this raised floor. I think quite a few. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that project because Carson has all the tools I need in the basement. And he's got an air compressor too, so I can blow out the van, get all the dust out of it. So yeah, looking forward to cleaning this baby up. I think I'm also going to get the front windshield cover like I got for the sides. I think I'm going to get the front one because it's going to be light 24 hours a day in the Yukon, I assume, while I'm there. So yeah, I'm going to need a little bit of darkness to sleep, or that's going to bother me, freak me out kind of thing. What else? But yeah, I was here for 24 hours after they left, and all of a sudden the bored feeling hit. It was like, what am I going to do for the week? Or the month, sorry. So yeah, I'm here for 4 weeks, I guess, or almost 4 weeks. So I have to get like all the projects that I can done on the van. I've already cleaned out a lot of stuff. All the solar panels and everything are inside. So I think I'm going to take everything out of the van and wash it all down and clean it. That's locked. And yeah, I'd love to have the landed gears thing instead of the swing away arm. To have it mounted right on the back of the door. It would be so much better than swinging that thing away. That way I'd have full access to my doors all the time. Which would be nice. A lot of people have switched over to that. So yeah, that's where we're at. Alright, so doing one of my daily projects. I'm fixing the flipper latch on my awning. Hold on. So yeah, I'm replacing the flipper latch. I ordered this. That's the part number if you need it. So yeah, apparently the instructions are nice and detailed. So we are going up to the van. I've already been at the van. I just forgot to record. Duh. Yeah, I busted this orange piece. So the first thing they told you to do is to remove this side bracket. There are just 4 screws in it. So I removed that already. Screws in here. And then apparently this just slides in. Alright, let's take it to the back out of the sun. Actually, let's pull in the awning first in case the wind comes. I'm always nervous of the wind catching that and flipping it over my van. Don't want that to happen. Anyhow, let's go to the back and read the instructions in the shade. I see you guys are right in the sun too, aren't you? Alright, next up, I gotta drill these rivets out, one at the top, one at the bottom. Apparently then this middle leg will slide up through the top of it. Don't forget your safety glasses. Safety is number one priority. And we have to do it to the bottom one. Alright, so now this should slide it at the top. And voila. There we go. Reattach the foot using the rivet. That went flying. I see why they call them pop rivets. That one's sticking the seam. Alright. Back in business. We are all riveted up. I have to go back to the van quickly just to make sure I was putting this in the right orientation. Don't want to screw it up. Put the feet back in and we are done. Alright, I think we are done. Let me show you. So you see this screw hole? It's like half and half kind of thing. So just line it up. That. We are back in business. Right. Everything back together the right way. Done, just like that. Ah, I like it. Another job well done by Scott. Next. It sure is nice to have shaded cover around here, that's for sure. Be shaded working on the van instead of it being 100 degrees in there. Bonus. So yeah, I thought it worked out well for everybody involved. I get to look after Rosa. And I get a shaded porch to work on the van and all of Carson's tools and everything. It works out great for everybody. So yeah, I am in. Turn everything back on again. So yeah, as usual, like everywhere I go, my daughter said that she cleaned the sheets and made her bed for me. I'm still sleeping in the van every night. Might be cooking dinner inside or on the grill or whatever, but I love my van bed. I love it in there. Yeah, me and Uma go sleep in there, come out in the morning and get Rosa, and we have our coffee and everything in the morning, but yeah, I'm still in the van every night. Just all day I'm not. Which is kind of odd, but yeah, like I said, perfect opportunity for all of us to do all this work on the van, and we'd have a little space and showers and grill, and I like it. All right, so yeah, I guess off to the next project. Step number, I don't know how many is done. I have to remove the table off there. It was in the way, and I had to remove a board here. It was in the way of the floor coming up over there. Removed the light bar already. Marked off with tape approximately where I want my line. And where I want to put 2 marks here for possibly where I want it coming down. I'll look at that when I have it up. Yeah, you just have to peel up the floor a little bit, and all the screw holes are kind of right there. And yeah, screw holes along here. So yeah, I'll probably use some trim molding around there to keep it back down, but I might need to buy some glue for this part. I think I want to reuse that light strip somehow. Seems like a nice handle sort of thing with the LED light channel that goes along there. Gives you something to grip for lifting it up. So we'll see what we can do for that. Yeah, time to try and pull this up. Yeah, all different size screws, good old timer. And they're multi-use of every screw they have, I guess. It looks like we're ready to pull this out. And plug the fridge for a minute so we don't mess with that wire at all. Oh, messy. Yeah, here's loose. There we go. Here's the floor. Look at all that space, all that dust and dirt. So yeah, I am going to remove a lot of this. These little tubes are pretty well useless, so I'm going to take those off and get rid of those. I'm going to reroute, back this up a little bit. I'm going to reroute this heater vent. It's taking up all this space. And maybe have it come up over here or over here. I haven't decided that yet. I'm going to reconfigure all this space to give more space in here. And yeah, maybe beef up a few more things, but I think I can get rid of so many parts here. This doesn't need to be here. This doesn't need to be here. Yeah, we'll probably take some of this apart as well. All right, guys, check it out. Progress has been made. I even washed the van. But yeah, check out this floor. I'm pretty impressed by the job I did. Pat on the back. Yeah, check it out. So this hole over here was where the vent was. I'm going to, another Heimer owner is sending me a vent that he took off his. So I'm going to have matching vents there, so that'll look sharp. So yeah, I moved that heater vent over to there now, after pulling up the floor and creating all the space. But check this out. Look at all that space under there. So I had to keep that board just for stability sort of thing. But yeah, look at all that space I have. I keep so much stuff in there. And then even that cavity over there, it stopped around there, but now it goes the whole length of that. So yeah, I created much more storage there. I'm really happy with that. I like it. And yeah, I got the front windshield apparently coming today. So yeah, things are looking up. But yeah, I love having all that extra storage. And with taking all the e-bike stuff out, now that I'm removing my e-bike and leaving it here for the winter, creating a whole bunch more storage. One thing I do have to do, I didn't mention, I am going to replace, I had to order another LED strip for there because I only need a short little piece. And I broke the other one. But yeah, so that's the B-pillar post that goes down there, but I need to wire the LEDs first. But yeah, so a lot of my e-bike stuff was in the passenger seat here, which created all the space for Uma, so I might have to create some sort of board here to fill in the footwell, so I can put the pillow on top of there for Miss Uma to have the entire space, of course. But yeah, that's another project for next week, I guess. But yeah, really happy with the floor. I think it did a great job. Yeah, storage, number one, important. Anyhow, that's it for this week, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe or consider subscribing. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.